Congratulations! You've made it to the end of this home repair and maintenance course. By now, you've learned how to fix, improve, and protect your home like a pro. But keeping your home in top shape is an ongoing process, and a few consistent habits can make all the difference. Here's how to stay on top of maintenance and keep your home running smoothly for years to come. First, make regular inspections a habit. Every few months, walk around your home, inside and out, and look for signs of wear. Check for leaks under sinks, cracks in walls, and small issues like loose doorknobs or squeaky hinges. Catching problems early is the key to preventing costly repairs later. Create a seasonal maintenance schedule. Each spring, focus on cleaning gutters, checking your roof, and prepping your HVAC system for summer. In fall, inspect windows, doors, and heating systems before winter sets in. These small checkups will save you time and money down the road. Keep a home repair journal or digital tracker. Record repairs, upgrades, and appliance maintenance. Knowing when something was last serviced or replaced makes planning easier and helps you budget for future work. Next, invest in quality tools and materials. A basic toolkit with a drill, screwdrivers, wrenches, and a level will handle most small projects. Buying quality once often costs less than replacing cheap tools over and over. Don't forget about safety. Always turn off power or water before repairs, wear protective gear, and follow instructions carefully. When in doubt, it's okay to call a professional. Knowing your limits is part of being a smart DIY homeowner. Keep your home energy efficient by sealing drafts, maintaining insulation, and upgrading to efficient lighting and appliances. Small changes like replacing filters or adjusting your thermostat can make a big impact on comfort and utility costs. When it comes to curb appeal, a well-maintained exterior tells visitors and potential buyers that the home has been cared for. A clean yard, fresh paint, and working outdoor lights all make a big difference. Remember, maintenance isn't about perfection, it's about progress. Each project you complete adds value and confidence. Even small fixes, done regularly, can extend the life of your home and make it a more enjoyable place to live. A few pro tips: schedule 1 weekend a month for home care projects, set reminders for annual maintenance tasks, and don't procrastinate on repairs. Problems only get more expensive over time. By continuing to care for your home, you're protecting your investment and creating a space that feels safe, comfortable, and truly yours. So keep those tools handy, stay curious, and take pride in every project you complete. With consistent care and a little know-how, your home will stay in top shape for decades to come.